We have another listing, guys. This is one bedroom, 56 square meters, located at One Pacific Residences at Mactan New Town, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. So this is the building of One Pacific Residences. So diya dapita, guys, at 6th floor. So sea view siya. Almost both sides. Mura siya corner. It's like a corner unit. You can see more views in that unit. So this is the entrance, the lobby. So this is the lobby, guys. First, we enter at the building B. So because there are two buildings in the One Pacific, building E and B. Say then our unit located at building A. So we need to pass through building B. So the passage is at the building B. Connect to the elevator to B, then to tower E. So let's say tower B and tower E. Then our building located at tower E at 6th floor, 56 square meters with balcony, sea view. So facing Mactan Shrine or Mactan Island, or katong where the Magellan was cut at the what you call it, cut at the neck. Yung pinugutan si Magellan diyan, do makita mo yung ano facing. Then the other side also you can see more views somewhere in Ulango Islands. So you can see the Bohol view also. So this is 13 persons elevator only. So but mostly, guys, it was rent out. The units there are rent out by the foreigners. So halo-halo mga lahi, guys. Then I noticed, no, there is a tennis court or playground at the building, no. So children are playing in that area, no. Then we proceeded to the unit. So as you can see, guys, no, it has a big what you call it, hallway. So malaki ang kanilang hallway, guys, no. That's the Tatak Mega World. So Mega World is really a good developer. So they develop almost entire in the Philippines, mostly with beachfront like this in Mega World Cebu or Mactan Cebu. They have also a Mega World Boracay. So if you want Boracay, they have also development, a big development in Boracay, guys. So iba talaga ang Mega World. It's really a good developer. Now the buyer or the seller here is having her own or their own unit, no. They have their own unit at 6th floor and decided to sell their unit at 14 million pesos. So that's it, guys. So we will pass to two elevators. So we will connect two elevators. Dalawang elevator ang madaanan natin, guys, to connect to tower A, which is the building A. So usually, guys, the condo dues is ranging from 130 pesos per square meter. So this is the unit, guys, no. See, it has air condition. That is a split type air condition. So manotice natin, guys, na lahat ay parang naka-corner siya. At ang na-notice ko din, yung CR ay separate talaga, yung bowl, separate ng, it's really separated from the bathroom. So, maganda yan. Kasi, mostly, when I visited condominiums, no, isa lang yan, CR at sakuan. So, dito sa Mega World, separated yung bowl at saka yung ano. So, very nice, no? It has already fitted kitchen. Kompleto na lahat, guys. Granite. Naka-granite na yung ano sa kitchen. It has refrigerator. So, sala set. Tsaka mataas ang floor to ceiling, guys. See? So, tiningnan ko yung sa balcony. So, kahit may isang building na sa harapan, pero kung nandun tayo sa ano natin, sa unit, facing yan sa ano, yung tinaga si si Magellan sa ano, sa neck. Yun, makita natin diyan, no? That is facing Liloan to Camotes Island, no? Makita natin. See? So, it's really a sea view. So, dito naman, it's a city view, pero may sea view pa rin. So, maganda talaga, guys, ang location. So, if you acquire to the unit, usually, guys, yung mga availability natin, wala ng studio. Kadalasan, wala ng one bedroom. Yung mga pre-selling, wala ng studio, wala ng one bedroom. Kadalasan 2 bedroom at 20 to 22 2 bedroom, million pesos. Then the 3 bedroom, there is also a 3 bedroom. It's 128 square meters. So makita mo yan, no, yung Olango Island. So makita mo yun at Cebu at Bohol area, no, makita mo rin diyan. Maganda, no? So I repeat, no, ang 2 bedroom is ranging from 67 to 67 square meters to 77 square meters, 20 million up to 22 million pesos. Then meron tayong 3 bedroom. Mga pre-selling yang inano ko, guys, ha. Kasi may nagbenta din tayo dito. The price is 38 million pesos. Pero back to this, no? This is for sale by owner, guys. Owner ang nagbibenta dito at may sarili na siyang titulo. So maybe they have another plan, so they are going to sell. So ito, guys, tiningnan ko sa isang door, no, parang naka ano siya sa may kitchen. Pero ito pala ay diyan ang laundry area. So dito ka maglagay ng yung mga suot. So may ano na, washing machine. So kita mo pa rin diyan, sea view. So very nice, no. Actually, Mactan New Town, just few minutes drive from Mactan International Airport, other white sand beaches, schools, college schools, Indiana Aeronautics School. So malapit lang dyan, guys, just one ride. At ito naman, ito na yung beachfront with perimeter fence. So maganda din dito, guys. Oh, makita mo yun ang yung beachfront. Okay? So ito po yung beachfront or beach lot ng Mega World, guys. Kinuha lang natin yung video ng broker coordinator natin kasi hindi tayo nakapasok. So Ito po yung beachfront talaga guys. Ito mangyayari no. Nandyan na yan. No? Nandyan no. So maganda. Lifetime makapunta ka dyan. Basta may unit ka dyan, walang problema. Makapasok ka dyan. So you can enjoy the beach. Okay? Again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. So